Hi, Mary O'Brien.
And I'm Suman Merchandani.
We're so excited about another listing we have here in the Bay Area. Now, Suman, we know there are so many beautiful spots and beautiful downtowns we are blessed with here in the Bay Area. Now, Livermore happens to be one of them. It's getting a lot of attention these days. Suman, what do you think about this?
Absolutely. It's a pretty renovated home, single story, so perfect for family members, and great proximity to Livermore Wineries and the Livermore outlet.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 937 Florence Road, a lovely single-story home in the quiet and desirable Sunset East neighborhood. A beautifully private courtyard entrance welcomes you with colorful floral bushes and a tranquil seating area to enjoy your morning coffee or just relax at the end of your day. Enjoy an expansive living area with vaulted ceilings, cozy fireplace, and newly installed contemporary wood flooring throughout the home. Take pleasure in the sought-after kitchen in the round with courtyard views that opens to a sizable family room, allowing an abundance of natural light to gleam throughout. The eat-in kitchen has recently been updated with granite countertops, new appliances, and stylish white cabinetry with modern hardware. The master bedroom suite has two very large closets and an updated bathroom with a large walk-in shower. Other features of the home include an updated hall bath, new interior and exterior paint, and an indoor laundry room with extra storage cabinets. The spacious backyard features a nicely covered patio, providing plenty of shade for those warm summer days. Walk to Sunset Elementary School, downtown Livermore, and several outdoor trails for walking or biking. In very close proximity to Livermore Valley Wineries, shopping, public transportation, and highways 580, 680, and 84.
Thank you so much for taking a tour with us. Can't wait to see you at the open house.
Now, as you saw, it's a gorgeous property. It's a great opportunity. And if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.